Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is a migraine clean with me because there's just too much to do to not do it, even though I'd really just rather climb into bed, but there's too much to do. So let's knock some of these things off the list, like cleaning up this bedroom and getting some laundry started. Let's see what we can accomplish. Pop on here too often. I'll probably just let the music play, but I'm gonna start doing laundry, and normally I sort the laundry, but today I just want to get it done, so I'm probably just gonna put everything in one load except for the jeans, or I might pull the whites out. We'll see how full the washer is. It seems like more and more lately I want less and less color. So I'm folding the comforter at the end of the bed and letting the ivory sheets and the ivory blanket be the star of the bed. I used to love, love, love color. I wanted all the color and all the pillows, and now I just think I want things as simple and as easy and still comfortable and welcoming, but I don't want all the loud and colors, and I don't want all the throw pillows and all the shams and stuff on the bed, so I'm not going to put them on there. once I got going, I wanted to get at least the main parts of the upstairs done. So I am working in my office here. You will see the camera shake a little bit because I just wasn't even thinking about it. And I set the camera up on the other side of the desk from where I was working, which didn't make a lot of sense because then once I started working on the desk, I was shaking the camera. So sorry about that. I had the shot all set up so you guys could watch while I folded up the clothes, matched all the socks, and put everything on hangers, but I set up the shot. I just forgot to push record on the camera. So now you're just watching me put away the clean clothes in the closet, and I picked up the extra pillow shams and put those on a shelf in the closet as well, so the room is a little bit tidier. Okay guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. I did the close but forgot to push record on the camera, so I'm sorry about that. But we got the bedroom cleaned up, the bathroom cleaned up, and all the laundry done, and now I'm going to go jump in the shower and probably climb into bed and call it a day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk soon.